KG5EIU. I'm going to show you how to upgrade the firmware on an Elecraft K4D. I think Elecraft makes it the most easy upgrade process of any of the ham radios that are out there. So we start by hitting the function key, and we're going to long press over here, and we'll run check for updates, and we can see that there's a new release out there and it's available. So what we'll do is we'll click install. And this is real time. I don't know how long this update actually takes. You heard that little radio static that actually came out of the radio. So we were loading this over the internet. The K4 is attached to my home network and it's attached out to the internet. I'm recording this from a KVM that's hooked up, and this is a Chrome browser. You're seeing the video through the KVM. So install is complete, verifying it. We should get a restart after exit. So we'll go hit exit. And here's the restart. A little bit of static popped out of the Here we go, the reboot. And here we are back. I can go back down to function, go check the software update again. There's the R38.B2. This is what was updated. We can go back here and we do a long press, and you can see R38.B2. We can check for updates, and software's up to date. So it's just that easy to upgrade a Elecraft K4D ham radio transceiver when it's plugged into the internet. 7.3 from KG5EIU.